Oh, oh, honey got me on you.
Hello. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're an oldie, welcome back, guys. So what we're gonna be doing today is attempting to do this honey, like BeeHive look. I'm not sure how you want to call it, but I seen this look. It was inspired by James Charles when he was doing the promotion for his palette, and so I wanted to recreate this look. So what I'm doing here is I'm going in with the James Charles Morphe palette, and I'm using the eyeshadow T, and I'm using with an angle brush, and I'm just outlining the honeycomb shape on my face. Y'all, okay, so listen. I had to look this up because before, when I was about to start like doing my talk through, I assumed, okay, y'all don't judge me, but I thought that this was the shape of a hectagon. So then I looked it up. It's not a heptagon. Then I said no, it can't be an octagon because it's like that's 8. So I'm like, what shape is this? Okay, it has 6 sides. I'm like, y'all, I'm gonna have to take it back to the school days and figure out my shapes again, because I was very much so thinking this was a hectagon. Then I saw something talking about a polygon. So for the sake of the video, we're gonna call it a honeycomb. So yeah, y'all. But what I'm doing here is I'm just putting it all around my eye. That's where I really want it to be at. I don't want to do some full ones. I want to do like some half, some finished, some not. And I think that just like helps like put it like the illusion of it being over my face. So that's what I'm doing here. Again, going in with the shade T from the James Charles Morphe palette. Okay, so what I'm doing now is going in with the color Punch Me from the palette, and I'm just shading in around the areas where I have some harsh lines. And I'm doing this to try to fix the harsh lines, to clean it up and give it like that kind of real deal effect. So I'm going in with the Punch Me, and I'm just shading in, and I'm just going back and forth with that color to try to shade in those areas to give it that shadow and that fade look. Okay guys, so next I'm going in with Canvas and B from the palette, and I'm mixing those two together. In the area that I did not shade in with the Punch Me, I'm going in with those two to try to give it like that yellow tint, but kind of not too yellow. And y'all, they kind of freaked me out because I don't know what it's called, the phobia is, but I was surprised I actually did this because I don't know the name of it, I can't think of it right now, but I don't like when there are like multiples of one thing. So like if I see a picture with like 20, not 20, but maybe like 100 pencils, like that freaks me out. I don't know what. And then like what is it called? I can't think of the name, y'all. I'm sorry, but this is a totally different video. Sorry, we're getting sidetracked, y'all. But the honeycomb's kind of giving that effect a little bit, and I was kind of getting freaked out when I looked at it, but we still pushed through. But here I'm going in with my concealer, and I decided to use my ColourPop in the color medium dark, and I'm just going in with another angled brush, and I'm just going in between the honeycombs and just cleaning up those lines. And this really like made the look really pop because it cleaned up any areas that I missed, and it just really made the honeycomb pop out as much as it could. Okay, y'all, so what I had to do to try to concoct the honey effect is I had some lip gloss and I had some gold, like dusty glitter, and a little bit of that yellow that I used in between my eyes. So I mixed all three of those together, and it gave me like it gave me good enough, basically. So that's what I'm going in and applying like the drip of honey on, like basically sporadically through my look. Now, I didn't really show much of the look where I was doing the side of my cheek, because as I like looked at it afterwards, like I was just good with the front, but it was done, so I just like kept it. But it didn't mess up the look, but I was like, I could have just been good with just the top corner. But for the most part, guys, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and just continue to watch and see the final look. Okay, guys, I can breathe now. I hope I can see it. I'm sorry if I can't see that good. I'm trying to do a better setup, so that's why it's a little bit distant. I'm trying to get better lighting, more space, where my makeup is everywhere. So yeah, but y'all, this is my just like honey look. I hope y'all like this tutorial. If you made it this far, guys, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, guys, so you don't miss an upload, because I'm going to keep coming to you guys with more content. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.